Confused about where to stay while you pursue your dreams in the beautiful city of London? Well, look no further. The North Lodge London has a lot to offer while being a part of a sustainable urban village. A real London community that ensures that all of the students' needs are met, as there are medical centers, a bakery, a children's nursery, Tesco Express supermarket, a gym, and lots of green space for everyone to enjoy. Located just 2 minutes away from the Tottenham Hale London Underground station in Zone 3, and less than a 15-minute commute to central London, North Lodge is the perfect location. It's the most ideal if you're studying at UCL, University of the Arts, SOAS University of London, the University of Westminster, King's College London, or City University London. You'll also find Tottenham Hale Retail Park, placed right beside the River Lee and several large reservoirs, ideal for a relaxing walk as well. With a train from Tottenham Hale Station direct to Stansted Airport in under 40 minutes, you will find yourself moving here super easy. North Lodge is the perfect house for students looking for a home away from home. Don't miss the chance. Head over to amberstudent.com to make your booking today.